What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. I just want to shoot this quick video for Traffic Maestro. Actually, I'm using the tool right now to record this video, and it is built right inside of the Home Business Academy's app. Now, on Tuesday night this past week, the Home Business Academy released this tool to the public inside of the Home Business Academy. You have to be a premium member in order to use this tool. But let me tell you, I'm using this tool right now. And so if you're using an outside tool to record your videos, such as Descript, ScreenPal, or Adobe or something like that, then this tool is for you because it can help you create any videos that you want to create. You can capture your screen. You can just do whatever you want to do with it, just like I'm doing right here. I'm actually freelancing. I don't have a script. I don't have anything, but it does have a built-in teleprompter that you can use in order to create your videos. You can even upload videos to this tool. Now, if you're afraid to be on camera, don't worry about that, because you can upload PowerPoint presentation that you do without being on camera. Anything that you want to do, you can do it inside of this tool right here. And let me tell you, the Home Business Academy, they continually to bring out more tools that we need in order to be successful in our business. This is for the brand new person who's tired of struggling, who's tired of trying to, piece tools together in order to make things work. If you think about the average affiliate marketer, what they have to do is they have to get an autoresponder, they have to purchase a domain name, they have to get a funnel builder or something to build web pages, and then they have to get some kind of software to record the videos if they want to record videos. Even if you don't want to be on video, you can still use this tool, but you have to do all that. And then you have to create the content. That's where Traffic Maestro comes in. It actually helps you with your content creation, whether it's on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, whatever, YouTube, whatever it is, it actually helps you do that. And that's why I love the Home Business Academy so much, because they really care about the success of their people. Traffic Maestro has so many tools built into it. I can't even name everything right now. Like I said, I'm actually using this to record a video. So they have a video editor, recorder inside of the system. They help you create your Facebook posts. You can do YouTube shorts in here as well. And you can use those shorts as reels to put on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and things like that. You can even use this to write your emails, and it even has a built-in autoresponder to it as well. So everything that you need, every tool that you need is right here inside of the Home Business Academy. And Traffic Maestro just makes it easier for you to get access to it and start running your business. Now, you can get access to Traffic Maestro simply by clicking the link that's in the description. What's going to happen is you're going to sign up for $35 per month, okay? But you're going to get a 14-day free trial to Traffic Maestro, which means you can use this tool for up to 14 days. And we're going to give you a bonus that you can get access to called the Unfair Advantage. And if you decide you don't want to keep HBA, you can keep the bonus for free. What we're doing inside of HBA is really and sincerely trying to help people make it online. Used to be, when I started back online back in the day, I started off, because I was working 2 jobs. I needed a way to get out of that second job. Okay. And I was working in a factory. We was pulling 10-hour days there. Then I would leave that job. Then I would go and work at another job. So I started looking for a way to make money online. I would come home, late at night watching Don LaPree, the mail order thing or whatever it was. I was watching that, and I figured, hey, I got to do something. So I actually bought that, but I never did anything with it, the mail order thing. So I started looking for a way to make money online. I ran across a system called the Conversion Pros. Now, before the Conversion Pros, I was just straight up doing article marketing, selling health products, women and men health products and things like that. And it was working for me. I was making $200, depending upon what you were selling. But the problem was I was not building my email email list, which is the most important part in this whole thing, because if you're not building your email list, you don't have a business. You don't own the leads on YouTube. You don't own the leads on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, wherever it is that you are marketing. X, it doesn't make a difference. You do not own those platforms. The leads on those platforms or the people on those platforms belongs to that customer. Your job is to get them off of those platforms onto your email list. And the way you can do that is using the Home Business Academy, because one, we have a funnel builder that you can tap into for $25 per month, and it pays a $20 residual income. Another way we help you is in the HBA Premium, because with that, you're going to learn how to get traffic. Okay. They have all kinds of training in there, but that's where Traffic Maestro comes in. You do not have to go through all that training, but I recommend that you do at your leisure, because it's only going to help you be a better marketer. We have the Let's Go app that pays $10. You pay $10 per month, but you earn an $8 residual income. With the HBA Premium, it's $125 per month, but you earn a $100 residual income. And we have what is called the Financial Literacy Academy. With that, you can earn $400 all the way up to $800, depending upon what the person does, who you bring into it. Paul and Mike has made this simple as can be. Everything, every tool up under one roof. You have the Traffic Maestro. You have the prompt writer, okay, AI. You have Van Gogh image generator. You have the traffic Email Alchemist is another tool that you have inside of there. And you have a post generator, which means it's going to post your short form videos to any and every account that you have, social media account that you have. So you can create one video, and then you can actually send that video out through the post tool that we have, and that way your marketing is done. The purpose of Traffic Maestro is to get the beginner going quickly and as fast as possible to earning residual income online. That is the goal. We want the brand new person to come in, not have any headaches, not stress about the tech, not stress about not knowing what to do. Come in and start making money right off of the bat. Now, am I guaranteeing you're going to make any money? I can't guarantee you that, because I don't even know, as simple as this is, if you're going to come in and stick with it, if you're going to come in and focus on it. I don't know your work ethics. I don't know what you're willing to do in order to get out of the situation that you're in right now. Hey, I once was jumping from one product to the next. I was jumping all over the place. I mean, I was doing health products. I was in MLM. I was doing affiliate marketer on Warrior Plus, forums, all of this kind of stuff, trying to make money online. The one thing I did not do, I wish I had done, was build my email list. Okay. I didn't do that. So I joined the Conversion Pros, which was something similar to the Home Business Academy. But you know what happened with them? If you was in the Conversion Pro, it shut down. Okay. After that, I had to find another funnel builder. I did that with the Home Business Academy, and I have been with them ever since then. I earn residual income with them. They show you how you can earn residual income if you are willing to put in the work. That is the thing. Are you willing to do what you have to do in order to make this work? If you're not willing to do that, then it's not going to work for you. So with that being said, if you're ready to get a hold of Traffic Maestro and all of the other premium tools and everything that the Home Business Academy has to offer you, then click the link in the description to get started right now. I will see you on the inside. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.